Uh, Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Johnny.
This is Nate.
Okay, today we're going to do a reaction to Diana, and she will be performed with Ilya. I'm sorry if I pronounce his name wrong, but let's get to the video. Don't forget to thumb up to my video, everyone.
Subscribe me like that.
Let's get to the video.
Потому что пока вы желаете и хотите ходить на концерты, никто ничто не запретит этого делать. Я уверен.
Wow. Like, I love the way that she changed her tone of voice. She changed more like higher voice, and so to match the earlier, and then and then she not using like deeper voice at all. I hear like any much deeper voice, like just a little deep, but not like really deep, like during the like couple of songs that I heard before, and I love that so much. And the duet, it sounds so good. I like the harmonize that he doing like high harmonize too. That sounds so good.
Yeah, I just love the way. I love the way they harmonize. They use the words. It just like I haven't listened to this kind of song before where they just sing together from the beginning to end. Like usually it'll be like one person with one part, you know.
Oh, okay.
Where they show more of themselves and then they'll do it. Like I do wish they do that so we could hear more of like, so we could hear more each individual how they're different, you know. But yeah, but this is also very like unique and different. It's another like style of singing that I think it's like, yeah, it is. They come together very well. I think.
Yeah. Okay, guys. We will see you again next time. Don't forget to thumb up to my two videos.
Subscribe and that.
See you next time. Bye.